Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a NEM wallet on the mainnet. Go to nem.io/downloads. Choose the option that's supported by your operating system. In this example, we'll use the universal client with Trezor support. Extract the zip file and place it in an easy-to-find location. Launch the wallet app. Click Sign Up from the upper right-hand corner and then select Simple Wallet. Then click Ready to Proceed. Choose Mainnet from the drop-down menu and then click Next to proceed. Give your wallet a name and a strong password. Click Next to proceed. Click Start to proceed the private key generation process. Move your mouse around. Your private key is being generated through its movement. Click Next to proceed. Read the warning carefully and then click Understood to proceed. Back up your wallet file. There are two ways on how to do this. Click Download Wallet and save it in a secure location, and we really recommend to store it in an offline location. Click Show Raw Wallet File and copy-paste the data in a text editor. Once you've successfully backed up your wallet, you can now proceed by clicking I have my wallet file. Back up your private key. Click Show Private Key and store it in a secure and offline location. Click I have my private key and password. Read this carefully, then click I agree. Congratulations, you now have a NEM wallet. You can also back up your NEM wallet address for safekeeping and records. Click Login to access the wallet you just created. Select the wallet from the drop-down menu. Type your password, then click Sign In. You are now logged into your newly created NEM wallet. You can explore more about your account information by clicking Account in the upper right-hand corner. That's how you create a NEM wallet. And for further assistance, visit the NEM Helpdesk Telegram group, t.me/NEM Helpdesk. Thanks, guys.